We teach a lot of courses, as I said, on legal reasoning, on legal skills, on legal philosophy. All those things are important. What a clinic does more than any other course is it puts all of them together in the same experience. That's what gives you the chance both to practice how to do it and to think about why you're doing it all at the same time. And that's the way to learn to practice law.
Being in a clinic when you're in law school is the most important thing you can do. It teaches you how to be a lawyer.
It's a very practical experience. That being said, it's a lot of hard work. At times it could be overwhelming, but it's definitely rewarding, particularly when you're advocating for your client and you do well and they're satisfied with your work. There's a lot of self-fulfillment in that.
The unique combination of theoretical and practical learning, really allows you to get a leg up on exactly what the legal profession is about.
From drafting to client meetings to arbitration rankings, this is a very well-rounded program that is very marketable to a lot of firms out there.
As an actual attorney, as opposed to just being a law student, you kind of get to another level of the law, which you just don't see as a student.
You learn how to interact with clients, something that in school you just have to go out and do in order to get used to. In that regard, it's the best experience you can get.
When you're facing a client whose choices or decisions you disagree with, but you're charged with representing that person, you really get a hands-on sort of professional ethics course, but from the inside.
It is the most inspiring and most rewarding thing that you can do, working for clients and helping them and empowering them to overcome adversity and to protect their rights.
I think you learn that listening is such a critical component and actually acknowledging the feelings that the other person is going through. So that degree of empathy that allows us to walk in the other person's shoes and really understand where is it that they're coming from. To see the argument from their perspective as opposed to just being very myopic and seeing it from your end.
There really is no experience that I've ever had in law school, in my internships, in my externships, working for professors, doing fellowships, taking classes. There's nothing like being in a clinic.
Because clinics are such a special experience, I'm really delighted that I can say that New York Law School is going to be offering next year at least 6, maybe more than 6 brand new clinics. The result of that is that we will have clinics in criminal law, in civil law, in transactional practice, in litigation practice, and for second and third year, and in some cases evening students as well. We mean to have a clinic for, if we can, as many people with as many legal interests as we could possibly offer.